second year postgraduate from Dr. Pinnamaneni, Siddhartha Medical College. The topic of my paper presentation is the impact of shift work on quality of sleep among nurses. Sleep work disrupts the sleep-wake cycle, circadian rhythm, and its synchrony with other endogenous biological rhythms that can cause sleepiness when wakefulness is required and insomnia during the main sleep period. Shift work is critical in today's industrialized economy, particularly in healthcare and other service sectors, where 24-hour access and service are expected. Although there is no universal definition of a shift work, it is known as a working outside of a typical 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. workday and is common for 1/5 of workers worldwide. Shift work has the potential to disrupt family and social life, as well as to cause chronic fatigue, somatic symptoms, and sleep problems because it frequently contradicts the diurnal human rhythmic timing system. Lack of sleep and inadequate sleep quality as one of the effects caused by shift work can lead to depression, lack of concentration, and reducing the activity and consciousness level of the people. Aim of the study is to study the impact of shift work on duration and quality of sleep among nurses. Methods and materials. It is a cross-sectional study that was conducted for a period of 3 months on nursing staff in a tertiary care hospital after obtaining institutional ethical clearance. The nursing staff between the age group of 18 and 55 years and who were willing to participate were included in the study after taking informed consent. The nurses with a history of chronic medical disorders such as diabetes mellitus, hypertension, hypothyroidism, or connective tissue disorders and pregnancies were excluded from the study. The nursing staff who was specifically assigned to the shift work for a period of 3 months were grouped under shift work nurses, while the nurses on the general duty, that is from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., for an equivalent duration of 3 months were grouped under the non-shift work nurses. It included 60 individuals in each group. Socio-demographic detail were taken using a questionnaire, validated questionnaire insomnia severity scale, Pittsburgh Sleep Quality Index, and Epworth Sleepiness Scale are applied to collect the data. So data was collected, analyzed using appropriate statistical test. P-value less than 0.05 was taken as statistically significant. So the results. The study included an equal number of participants on the general shift and the shift work. The study included participants with an average age of 31.6 years. The majority of participants were married, that is 70.8%, and belonged to a nuclear family, that is 72.5%, and were from a middle socioeconomic status, that is 93.3%, and had satisfactory social support. Additionally, about 7.5% of participants had a family history of psychiatric illness. So this study does not identify any statistically significant difference between the shift work nurses and the non-shift work nurses in terms of socio-demographic data. So by the socio-demographic data, I mean the age, the socio-economic status, the marital status, the family type, the social support, or family history of psychiatric illness. So to assess the severity of insomnia, insomnia severity scale was used. It is a 7-item self-report questionnaire, Likert scale ranging from 0 to 4. It was found that shift work nurses have higher estimated prevalence of insomnia compared to non-shift nurses. As we can see that the p-value is less than 0.001. To assess the quality of sleep, the sleep quality index was used, the Pittsburgh Sleep Quality Index was used. It differentiates poor from good sleep quality. A total score of 5 or greater indicates poor sleep quality by measuring the 7 areas. Likert scale ranging from 0 to 3, it was found that shift work nurses experienced poor sleep quality compared to non-shift work nurses. There was no significant difference in the distribution of Epworth Sleepiness Scale between the shift work nurses and the non-shift work nurses. This study found that both groups did not experience significantly different levels of daytime sleepiness despite the significant levels of differences in sleep quality and insomnia severity. As we assess the association between the Pittsburgh Quality Index and insomnia severity scale, in the shift work nurses, it was seen that there is a strong association between the Pittsburgh Sleep Quality Index and the insomnia severity scale among individuals working in the night shift. Those without insomnia demonstrated better sleep quality, while individuals with higher levels of insomnia severity had poor sleep quality. When we assess the association between the Epworth Sleepiness Scale and the Pittsburgh Sleep Quality Index, in the night shift work nurses, it was seen that there was no significant association between the Epworth Sleepiness Scale and the Pittsburgh Sleep Quality Index. When we assess the association between the Epworth Sleepiness Scale and the Insomnia Severity Scale in the shift work nurses, it was seen that there is a significant association between the Epworth Sleepiness Scale and the Insomnia Severity Scale among individuals working night shift. Individuals without insomnia showed a range of sleepiness level on ESS with a significant proportion experiencing average and excessive sleepiness. Individuals with higher severity levels of insomnia tended to have a higher levels of sleepiness. Discussion. Out of the total sample size of 120 participants, 61 nurses on the night shift work, while the remaining 60 followed a general shift schedule. Shift work has been shown to have a significant impact on the sleep quality and overall quality of life of nurses. A study conducted in China by Lin SH et al. Found that the influencing factors for sleep quality among shift work nurses were age, shift type, and job satisfaction. A study by MF Shao et al. Found that nurses who worked rotating shift or shift with short recovery time were particularly at risk of experiencing poor sleep quality. Cross-section study by Vidya et al. Found that shift work can result in insomnia, poor sleep quality, and daytime sleepiness. A study by Al-Shrami S.M. et al. Found that shift workers had significantly poor sleep quality than day workers, shown in the Pittsburgh Sleep Quality Index. The studies by MF Shao et al. and P. Raman et al.